Yeah, welcome guys. So today we just got for our robotic class and robotic tutorials. We're building a lot of projects. So we just got our robotic kit. This is an Arduino R4 Uno board kit that allows us to build a lot of projects in robotics. So I'll be actually opening each and bringing out all the components that's in this box. Then we will continue doing our different projects. So over here in the box, we have the box comes with just like a tray and also a kit this way. So I'll be explaining those things in this tray then before going over to the components in this box. So here we have our ultrasonic sensor, which is this. I'll just be mentioning them one after the other. Then maybe later in subsequent video, I'll be picking each and every one of them just to avoid the video being long and start explaining what each one does and how to use it. So these are actually our ultrasonic sensor. These are LCD, our 7-segment display LED. This is also our 7-segment display LED. Then we have also this, still the same LED. Then we have over here, we have some set of resistors. We have the resistors are three types. We have, they look similar but they are different. If you look over here, you can see that this is 1K ohm resistor. This is actually 220 ohm resistor, and also this is actually 10K ohms resistor. Then we inside here we have our LEDs, our 5 yellow, red and green LEDs, light emitting diodes are inside here. So I'll just pack it here. Then here we have some components. We have our push buttons, we have our ICs, we have our capacitors, our ultrasonics and buzzer. We have our this IRO infrared sensors over here. We have our potentiometer in here. So these are some of the components inside there. Then we have our breadboard, which we actually be building our components on. Then we have our jumper wire. They are not much, but this is okay for basic projects. So these are the components that are inside this. So putting this aside, then we'll be unveiling and seeing the components inside this box. So you see most of all these components are sealed. I'll be opening them one after the other and we'll talk about it. First of all, we have our CD drive inside the box. Most of them come with CD drive, and I'll be showing the content of this in the video shortly. Alright guys, so I'll be showing the content of the CD right here. Here are the contents of what is Arduino drive. So here we have the OS, but this is actually outdated 2019. Which are updated software, you can actually download it. All this will be explained based on the videos. Then we have two manuals right here, so I'll be opening them. Then we also have, while they're loading, we also have some folders for some basic project, maybe projects stored inside to test run. We also have Arduino for different versions inside this folder. So here in PDF you have a PDF drive that stops and a PDF file that talks about beginner practical Arduino project you can actually build. Then a lot of body code. This is just the manual. It's kind of outdated. It's an old manual, but you can see most of the things needed. And in case you want to build some of these projects, beginner projects, you can actually get started from here. And this is the Chinese version of it. This is basically what is in a CD drive. You can actually install this to install the software and run it and start the IDE, Arduino IDE. You can now start coding and uploading your code. The interface allows you to upload your code to your Arduino machine. So here we have, this is our water level sensor. I'll just be cutting them open. So this is our water level sensor. You can see it here. Then we have this, which is our joystick. This is our joystick button for whatever project you are going to be building. And this. Then this is our Arduino Uno. This is our Arduino Uno. We have this is actually a special type, the microcontroller that does all of where we'll be doing our programming and storing our projects in. Then it comes with this pin. Let's say, for instance, you have exhausted all these ports and you want to join the hair, you can actually use this. We'll talk about that later. Then we have our temperature and humidity sensor. Just be opening it. These are temperature and humidity sensor. Checks for temperature and humidity. Then we have our I2C that works. And we have our I2C here, which works with this our LCD. So this is an I2C that works with this our 16:2 LCD display. So the I2C is connected somehow like this. You solder it, we'll still look into that. So this is the I2C sensor. Then this is the LCD. And this is the power connector for the battery. The battery is not here, we'll get the battery. It doesn't come with battery. So this is a power connector for the battery that plugs into the Arduino board over here in case you want to power the Arduino. So you use this. And this is our motor. We'll be using this motor as stepper motor. We'll be using it. And this is our USB Type B cable for also the Arduino to upload our code into the Arduino. And we have this. This is our servo motor for moving direction and angles. These are servo motor, 9-gram servo motor. You can see these are the, I call it blades or the arms that actually rotate on this depending on the type. So that's our servo motor. Then we have our IC. Over here. So we have our IC for our motor. This is the motor, stepper motor. This is the motor. So this actually works with this. So you connect this in here to program it. So this is our motor. And we also have our relay module over here. This is our relay module. Just like our mechanical switch. You can see it here. We use it for lots of good projects. Then we have our button. These are buttons. We'll be using our 16 switch buttons. We can be used for our project. And also we have a Bluetooth module. Yeah, I don't know what this guy is. I can't remember the name right now, but if I get to know the name, I'll let you know. Then we have some jumper wires. These are short jumper wires. It has longer one. Then we have over here, we have our battery. So this is for our cell battery in case you want to add a battery for this to power a device. Then here we have a light sensor that works like for the TV. So these are IR sensor, and this is the remote for the IR sensor. Then we also have our keypad sensor, just like a key lock that we use in hotels. Yeah, you can use to access. So you can see the card and also the key logger, which we'll be using for the project. So we have some projects we are working on this. So these are basically all the components we have so far in this kit. So just stay tuned. I'll actually be showing the contents in this video shortly, and stay tuned for awesome project to build. If you have any question, we have a suggestion of the kind of project you want us to build, we would love to drop it in the comment section, and we'll try building it for you. Thank you, and see you in the next video.